वेलकम है जी, अपना ही गराज है।
Hello friends, this is Arnav's Papa and today we are starting a long family trip. Me, Arnav's mummy, his uncle and our little explorer Arnav. We have left home and are heading towards our nearest railway station. We have reached the railway station. Arnav keeps asking, when will the train come? The AC local train has arrived and it will take us to Sealdah railway station. Arnav is playing inside the train and enjoying the outside view through the window. Every passing building and train feels like a new adventure for him. The train has arrived at Sealdah railway station and now we have to move to platform number 12 where our New Delhi Rajdhani Express is ready to depart. The train leaves exactly on time. Rajdhani is famous for its punctuality. After some time, evening snacks are served. We receive veg sandwiches, diet masala murmure save, one kachori and tea. Meanwhile, Arnav is busy doing his important office work. Now it's time for dinner. Here is our veg meal. 2 parathas, rice, dal, mixed dry vegetables, paneer, pickle and curd. And after this heavy meal, we are going to sleep. See you in the morning. Good morning guys. Arnav woke up before all of us and is enjoying the view from the window. The train is running at great speed just as Rajdhani is known for. The outside scenery is absolutely beautiful. Fields, small towns and stations passing by. Right on time at 10:50 am, the train reaches New Delhi railway station. From here, we book a Rapido cab and head towards our room. The fare from the station to our room is around 150 rupees. After resting for a few hours, we are ready for our first sightseeing. We have booked a cab and are waiting for its arrival. Till then, Arnav is playing around. Arnav is asking us to fold his sleeves. We have reached our first destination, the Lotus temple. There was a long queue. Some people were breaking the line and moving ahead, but we slowly and patiently moved forward. After walking for around 10 minutes, we entered the Lotus temple premises. Arnav starts insisting that he wants to be carried in our arms. The Lotus temple, just wow! In the evening, it looks even more beautiful. We went inside. The blue water pools outside looked very beautiful, although the water itself was not very clean. The Lotus temple is a Baha'i house of worship designed in the shape of a blooming lotus flower. People of all religions are welcome here. Inside, complete silence is maintained for meditation and prayer. Entry is completely free. This is our second visit to Delhi, but the first time we could not visit this place. That is why we decided to come here first. From here, we booked a cab and reached our second spot, Qutub Minar. The fare from Lotus Temple to Qutub Minar was around 250 rupees. We came here in the evening to see the beautiful night view. Honestly, the view here was stunning. We spent the entire evening at this place. Qutub Minar is about 73 meters tall and is one of the tallest brick minarets in the world. It was built in the 12th century and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a magnificent example of Indo-Islamic architecture. Since the airport is nearby, we could see aeroplanes passing above us from time to time, which made the view even more mesmerizing. Good morning friends. Today is our second day in New Delhi. Arnav is doing some exercise. We have had our breakfast and are waiting for our cab. From here, we plan to go to the National Rail Museum. The fare was around 180 rupees. Unfortunately, the Rail Museum was closed. We did not check on Google earlier. Since it is Monday, many famous tourist spots in Delhi remain closed. We then booked an Uber. Till then, Arnav was playing at the same place. Our cab arrived and we decided to go to our third spot, Hauz Khas Fort. We paid 180 rupees for Uber and the entry fee was 20 rupees per adult. We had to purchase the tickets online. Hauz Khas Fort is a 13th century historical complex built during the Delhi Sultanate period. It includes a large water tank, a madrasa and tombs. Today, it is popular among youngsters because it offers a mix of history and modern vibes. Hauz Khas was full of beautiful views, and since it is an open space, Arnav enjoyed a lot and had great fun. We could see Hauz Khas Lake from there, but the entry to the lake was not from inside the fort, so we had to come outside. Hauz Khas is especially attractive to Gen Z visitors. On the way to the lake, we saw many monkeys. After that, Arnav guided us out from there. We decided to visit our fourth and most beautiful place, Delhi's Taj Mahal, known as Humayun's tomb. This time, no cab was accepting our ride request, so we booked an auto. It was peak hour and after a long journey, we reached Humayun's tomb. We paid around 140 rupees for the auto ride. Here is the entry fee for the monument. Honestly, if someone does not visit this place, they cannot experience its true beauty. Arnav has come here for the second time. Humayun's tomb was built in the 16th century and is considered the architectural inspiration for the Taj Mahal. It is famous for its Persian-style charbagh garden layout and symmetrical design. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We took many photographs here and decided to stay until evening. Arnav was having non-stop fun. It was getting dark and we decided to leave. As usual, Arnav did not want to go from here and started insisting and crying a little. The weather was getting colder, so we booked a ride and returned to our room. Tomorrow is our last day in Delhi. See you in the morning. Good morning everyone. We booked a cab early in the morning and went again to the National Rail Museum to avoid the crowd. We bought tickets for entry and the joy ride. Inside, the environment was full of greenery and cleanliness was well maintained.
क्या है बेटा?
Arnav saw the joyride train and insisted on sitting on the choo-choo train. We first took him to the small but beautiful railway station inside the museum. Here are the joyride timings.
बाबू कैसा लगा?
Seeing the train, Arnav became very excited and even went to inspect the track. Our train ride started. Arnav was amazed and watching the outside view with big eyes. After completing one full round, the train returned to the station. After that, we saw old railway engines. Arnav did not stop having fun there either. Inside the main museum building, videography was not allowed, so we did not record any video. The National Rail Museum in Delhi showcases more than 160 years of Indian Railways history. It displays vintage steam engines, royal coaches, and rare railway artifacts. It is a must-visit place for railway lovers. After spending a lot of time inside, we went to Sarojini for shopping, but we forgot to record videos. Then we went to Lodhi garden. Arnav was telling us about the lion statue kept there. We made him sit on the lion statue. At first he was scared, but then he started enjoying it. We let Arnav play freely. Lodhi Garden is a historical park that contains 15th century tombs from the Lodhi dynasty. It is a perfect combination of history and greenery. After leaving Lodhi Garden and passing through Lodhi Art District, we went to India Gate and spent some time there. In the evening, we returned to our room and started packing while Arnav was playing in a small nearby park. Our train was at 12 midnight, so around 10 p.m. we booked a cab and left for Delhi Cant Railway Junction to catch our next train. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.